Hi everyone, and welcome to what is our third video in this health series. So in the first two videos, we discussed the importance of self-talk and how your beliefs can influence your health. Well, today I want to sort of move away from that somewhat metaphysical aspect of healing into the more physical realm. You see, your physical health is dependent on four immutable laws of nature. And these laws form the basis of life itself. Now, if you learn to follow these laws, you will unfailingly create a life of greater health and greater happiness. However, the opposite is also true. If you live in defiance of these laws, then eventually you will suffer the consequences. And what are these four laws? Well, they are, first of all, the law of nourishment. The second one is the law of movement. The third is the law of recuperation. And fourthly, the law of sanitation. And over the next videos, I'm going to discuss each of those four laws in more depth. So number one, the law of nourishment. Well, no doubt, as you're well aware, so much has been said and written about nutrition and food and diets that it's very, very easy to become confused as to what is good for you and what is not good for you. The science seems to change its mind on a whim. Just think about how often we're told one thing only for later to be told the complete opposite. For example, just look at fat. First we're told it's bad for you and it causes heart disease. Then they say it's essential for you. We're told breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Then we're encouraged to follow intermittent fasting. We're told to lose weight by eating several small meals. Then we're told that that doesn't work. We're told sweeteners are good for you, and then they're not. We're told supplements are a waste of money, and then we're told that they are essential, and so on and so forth. So you get the picture. It's confusing. Well, hopefully we can, over this next few series of videos, we can help you avoid and cut through the confusion and help you develop a workable plan for nourishing your body. And it doesn't have to be complicated. Every single living organism requires food for its sustenance. Even the simplest plant requires nutrition. And if it grows, or if it's planted in a soil and a climate that is conducive to health, then it will develop and thrive and grow into a healthy specimen. On the other hand, if it's planted in impoverished soil or in devitalized soil, it certainly will not thrive. And if it does survive, it will become a sickly specimen. And we are no different. If you give your body the proper nutrients, you will give yourself a better chance of thriving and adapting to the stresses that we face. Whereas if you insist on fueling your body with substandard nutrition, you will get substandard results. So before we discuss what foods are good for you and what foods are not good for you, my suggestion first off is for the next 2 weeks is to simply record every single thing that you eat or you drink. And I mean record it. You need to write it down. It is important to see it in black and white. And all you're going to do at the end of that 2 weeks is you're going to go through that list and you're simply going to ask yourself, is whatever's on that list, is it going to help or is it going to hinder me? Is it going to help me become healthier? Is it good or is it bad? I promise you that this is such a powerful exercise and I would strongly recommend you do it straight away. And on that note, have a great week. Bye-bye.